my name is Klaas. I work for Rami Yakota, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the Red Rooster RRI-PRN41612M rivet nut setter. The capacity of this tool ranges between M4 and M12. The various diameters of the pulling bolts come with it as standard. I'll first show you how to replace the pulling bolt. First, loosen this lock nut and remove this body from the index. Next, you'll see a body here that you need to pull back, which allows you to unscrew the pulling bolt. In the meantime, release the body. Remove the bolt. Remove this body. To install, everything is done in reverse. First, you screw in the body again. Next, pull this body back again. You can see a hexagon socket at the end of the pulling bolt. It needs to slot into the hexagon in the tool as a safeguard. Turn the pulling bolt until you feel that it's positioned properly on the hexagon. Loosen it a little so that you can disassemble it easily the next time. Loosen the body. It clicks in place and will be properly positioned. Next, pull this body towards the back again. It's important to set the length of this thread properly. It's best to have this pulling bolt stick out of your rivet nut by the length of one thread turn. When you put the rivet nut on, you can see it's just too short. Loosen slightly and turn the body inwards. Tighten the rivet nut again, just a little more, and the pulling bolt will stick out one thread turn. Tighten the lock nut again using the spanner provided. The stroke length is another adjustment that may be important. The stroke length can be adjusted by loosening this lock nut. You need to connect the compressed air for this. Press and hold the trigger. Loosen the body by turning it forward and then release the trigger. If you now tighten the body again until it reaches the stop, you'll have the maximum stroke. With each rotation that you tighten the body, the stroke becomes 1 millimeter shorter. You need to press and hold the trigger to make the body shorter. Once properly positioned, release the trigger. Tighten the lock nut. And that's the correct setting. If the setting isn't correct, the stroke will be too long. You would then, for example, easily pull off the thread of an M4 or M5 bolt rivet nut, especially if they are made of aluminium. Tighten the lock nut again. Put the rivet nut in its hole. Position the tool on it. Pulling the trigger, fasten the rivet nut. Release the trigger and pull the other side of the trigger to unscrew it. Now the rivet nut will be fastened properly. If it doesn't operate correctly, it could mean that there isn't enough oil in the tool. Remove the filler plug. Use the syringe provided, which you should fill with hydraulic oil. Position it on the tool. Tighten it with a spanner and press the plunger. While inserting the oil, release the plunger every now and then. This allows any air to go up into the syringe. When done, remove the syringe using a spanner. Replace the filler plug. That's all.